Hello everyone. Today I am going to explain you how to use case statement in SQL Server. The case statement goes through conditions and returns a value. Okay? Once a condition is true, it stops reading other condition and return the result. If no condition is true, then returns value result based on else clause. If there is no else clause and no condition is true, then returns null. A case statement can be used in select queries, where condition, group by, order by clause, insert statement. The scope of this video is only to select statement. Okay. This is the syntax of case statement. Case statement starts from case, when, condition, then result. You can have multiple condition in a single case statement. It depends on requirement and only word else in a case statement. Okay. Case starts from case and ends with and. Now I have an existing table student in my learning database. See here. Okay. Let's see how the progress of the marks, like in a range between 70 to 80, and we are going to print the value. See here. If the range between 90 to 100, then the new column value should be printed excellent. If this is between 80 to 89, then value will be very good. If the value between 70 to 79, then good. The value between 60 to 69, then satisfactory. Then value between 50 to 59, then below average. And if it is less than 50, then fail. Okay. Now we are going to create a new column, progress of marks, using case statement. I use all the column from the student table, starts all the, and this is a new column which we are going to create. First case statement, case, when, marks column. See here, in this table again I am going to show you marks column. Okay. Marks greater than equal to 90 and marks less than equal to 100, then value will be excellent. When marks greater than equal to 80 and marks less than equal to 89, then the result will be very good. When marks greater than equal to 70 and marks less than equal to 79, then good. When marks greater than equal to 60 and marks less than 69, then the result will be satisfactory. When marks greater than equal to 50 and marks less than 59, then the result will be below average. Now less than 50, we are going to use this in the else condition, fail. Okay. Now case, we are closing case statement using and this is the name of the column. Okay. You can have this in single quotes or no need to use this. Okay. Now we are going to execute this command and let's see what happened. See here, the range, this falls in 80 and very good. See here, 56, this is the range, below average. See here, 80.85, this will come in this range, very good. And 75, this will come in this range, good. 81, very good, this is the range. And 90 will come in this range, excellent. 75, again this will come in this range, good. 99, between 90 to 100, excellent. Okay. 42 is below 50, then it's a fail. 75, good. Okay. Now you can have condition based on your requirement. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like and subscribe.